Magucagĩrĩrio nĩ maũndũ maingĩ gwĩkenia na gũcanjamũra meciria mao, no anga mahenya ma mbũri magucagĩrĩria ameroreri makĩria. Mbĩtĩka ici ndũngĩcitigithia, ngũnyite ũgeni Mwago-inĩ wa mbĩtĩka cia mahenya ma mbũri kaunti-inĩ ya Kwale. Salim Chilungu Mwezuga nĩ mũrĩithia wa mbũri gũkũ Diani. Mbũri ici ciake ti cia gũtwarwo gĩthĩnjĩro na gũtuo gĩtoero, ĩndĩ nĩ cia gũcindana mahenya ma mbũri moĩkaine ta Diani Goat Derby. Haha arahe irio mbũri ciake 40 agĩciharĩria kũingĩra mahenya-inĩ.
Kiwa wakati mashindano yako karibu, huwa nawalisha vizuri na nawaongezea chakula, wananenepa, wanakuwa wazuri. Hata wakifika hapa watu wao wanaona raha na wanafurahi pia kila mwaka.
The first goat derby was in the year 2000, and I got the idea from Uganda, where I believe they used to have goat derbies up there. And now it's been 23 years we've been running.
Mahenya maya matafanagio o mwaka mweri wa 10. Ikundi, kambuni na andũ kĩũmbe marehagira mbũri iria mekwenda kũrũgamĩrĩra gũcindana. Mbeca iria ciũnganagio mahenya-inĩ maya cihũthĩkaga kũrũgamĩrĩra tabarĩra cia gũteithia mũingĩ wa matũra na njĩra ya gũcokia guoko.
It is the biggest event on the South Coast. We make a lot of money for the charities. Now the charities we support are the Kwale Eye Centre, the KSPCA, Diani Children's Village, the Ukunda Epilepsy Clinic, palliative care, and we also help a lot of women's self-help groups.
Lakini cha muhimu, it's also time ya watu kubond na watu kusocialize, yani kujuana. Watu wa Diani, unajua Diani ni ndogo, kwa hivyo watu wanajuana, watu wanapendana, wanajua biashara, wanafanya biashara, magari zauzwa, loans zinapeanwa, watu wanakula, yani ni kusherekea as we welcome the festive season. Juu December ndiye hii inaelekea, hii ndiye inafunguanga December. So ukiwa Diani October, hakikisha umefika Charity Goat Derby, kwa sababu hauwezi kosa.
Mahenya-inĩ maya mbũri iria citeng'eraga citindĩkagwo na kũhũrwo na kĩhato, ingĩ cigicoka na kũrĩa ciumire na gũtuthũra mĩtheko kũrĩ eroreri. Haha nĩho Mwago ũkirĩire.
Sasa acha niwaambie, leo mtu ameanguka na mbuzi. Nimecheka. That was it has never happened. It was the funniest moment. Yani ameanguka alafu mbuzi kamacha. Alafu the other one, mbuzi zilikuwa zinaenda wrong direction. Yani zinafaa kwenda huku, inarudi huku. Sasa sijui kama inawin ama anyway ili lose. So that was the fun moment today. Yani nilifurahia kuona guy. Unafurahia mtu akianguka, lakini ile ya kwanza unacheka mwanzo alafu unasema pole.
Nĩ igongona rĩgucagĩrĩria kinya agendi kuma ituri itiganĩte thĩinĩ na nja wa kaunti ĩno.
I would say about 70% of our clients or residents and local people come, more so than the tourists, because you know the tourists stay in the hotels and they don't go out very much.
Na mbuzi zangu huwa nikiziona zinakimbia, mimi mwenyewe pia huwa na furaha, na huwa pia anyway kuna kitu kidogo pia napata hapo. Manake something is better than nothing. Au vipi?
Mashindano ma mbũri marĩa nĩ ma mwanya kaunti-inĩ ya Kwale, andũ kuma mĩhĩrĩga ngũrani nĩ makoretwo magĩũka kwĩrorera mashindano maya marĩa mahiũ macindanaga o ta andũ. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV ndĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kwale, njĩtagwo Lawrence Ng'ang'a wa Mwangi.